water gives life to planet Earth. So far, we don't know of any other planets with water in liquid form. With NASA's research, we know that there are other planets with water in the solar system, but in other states, either frozen or gaseous. Uranus, Neptune, and some of Saturn's and Jupiter's moons like Europa and Titan are some of these places. Thanks to water on planet Earth, all living things eat, grow, reproduce, and fulfill their missions. The waters of the Amazon River are home to Omacha, the pink dolphin, who interacts and cohabitates with other creatures. Your water consumption habits impact water sources and the ecosystems where Omacha and you live. Water is a part of a cycle, and this cycle depends on how you treat it. Every choice you make impacts you, sooner or later. Your intervention is fundamental for the planet to be able to continue sharing its water with all living things. You can explore where water comes from and how it travels back to its source. Reduce your consumption of certain products, collect rainwater, reuse it, and create devices to filter wastewater. This is a great opportunity to build a harmonious relationship with water and the planet. If you want to learn more about water and its connection to regeneration, visit us at www.regenerate.com.
Regenerate, catalyzing regenerative education.